Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the dish, LNB, RG6 cokes, F connectors, crimper, and a small signal meter so you won't stop mid-task. Once everything is together, power down the receiver and run the cokes from the dish to the receiver location to avoid later rerouting. Now strip about 1/2 inch of the jacket, fold the braid back over the sleeve, and expose the center conductor. Slide the F connector on so the pin is centered. This sets the physical signal path and prevents shorts. Next, crimp the F connector with steady pressure so it won't rotate or leak. Ensure braid isn't touching the center conductor because that kills the signal. Once crimped, weatherproof the connection with silicone tape and add a rubber boot to keep moisture out, since water degrades signal over time. Mount the dish on its bracket, set azimuth and elevation to the approximate satellite position, and then use your signal meter to fine-tune. Make small, slow adjustments while watching the meter for peak strength and quality. Finally, connect the cokes to the receiver's LNB in, power the receiver, and run the automatic satellite scan to lock channels. Make sure the cable is clipped along the run and the mast and coax shield are grounded according to local code to prevent noise and lightning risk. Once channels appear, tighten all mount bolts and recheck the lock after a day of weather. If you don't get a signal, first verify LNB power at the receiver, and then try swapping the cable or red-itening, or replacing the F connector.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.